Hey MechWarrior, welcome back to Up a Place MechWarrior 5. As you can see, we're in the middle of a 4-mission operation. We've just begun it actually. I'll go ahead and hit back so I can show you what it's going to be. I got a beachhead, scorched earth, patrol, and a war zone. So they're all pretty much going to be configured the same mech style. So, and it's 340 ton. So here we go. This is the first one, beachhead, which is actually one of my favorite types of missions to play, although they can get long. And we're already at 340, but these folks can change. I'm going to take one with LRMs. That one I'm going to take I think we can handle this as a beachhead with just the YHA. And we'll go. Of course, that means poor Wicked doesn't get the chance to be as impactful as she usually is. So I'll just tell her that I'm going to up the challenge.
That's as close as I can get you without getting shut down. Our employer's invasion force stands ready to invade once we've gained control over the air defenses of this region. Head to the targeted garrison, defeat any forces you encounter, and capture the installation. I'll be waiting nearby to pick you up. Our employers can't land dropships until the satellite relays controlling air and orbital weapons are destroyed. Destroy them.
Not a nice map for this. Like, what the heck was that? I've seen them in other types of playing fields like this. What is this FedCom doing way over here? I have no idea what kind of structure these are meant to be. And I'm okay with that. They're not interactive, so it doesn't really matter. This guy's gonna drag units all the way across the battlefield to me.
Uh-oh, new contact. This is the Beast. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Radar dish down.
Acquired. Target destroyed.
I'll do what I can.
Let's see.
Target acquired.
This shut'll piss him off. Got it, sir.
Target destroyed.
Okay. Yeah, nice foot trap. Wow, all the way back out and around, huh?
We can hear. Target destroyed.
I could probably go up and take out the base, knowing there's no mercenaries coming at the end of it. You wouldn't have too much of an issue with it. But this is a multi-mission. Gotta preserve my mechs if possible for the next one.
I'm detecting unidentified mechs in the area. Moving in to investigate.
acquired.
But nobody else is going to shoot it.
Target
Boy.
acquired.
Aye, sir.
Man, I can't see through the smoke.
They still haven't killed that little guy back there. Okay, now they got it.
Can't follow that order, sir.
How about that one?
Roger, targeting.
Enemy radar dish destroyed.
Enemy down. This is Ghost. Target eliminated.
It's like this guy needs to join my team. No, I do not want to go all the way around that big mess.
Target acquired.
That's a mech trap if I ever saw one.
We can hear. Enemy contact. Wicked reporting. Requesting new target.
Okay, sir, you got it.
How about if instead you just follow me? This will not take long.
Once you've found the targeted asset, move up to it, and we'll begin the recovery procedure.
Yeah, too low.
That's close enough. Ready to start pickup operation. Scratch that one. That's the last uplink. Great work, Commander. Anti-aircraft guns are now offline. Support dropships will now be able to land. There's our promised support. Friendly dropship landing now.
Alpha 1-1, this is Whiskey 6-1. Thanks for clearing out that AA installation. Heard you could use a little backup. We're on our way in. Stand by 2 mics.
Dismember
Whiskey 6-1
AI.
out.
I have no idea.
Here, another one bites the dust.
Got it.
Enemies inbound. Secure the perimeter.
You've reached the target facility. Wipe out their defenses.
Target destroyed. Target destroyed.
Whoops.
Destroyed your defenses. All forces in the area converge and
Target
eliminate.
acquired.
That's it for the local defenses. We can get on with the capture. Keep the base clear of any additional hostiles while we take control. Look up. We've got hostile aircraft on approach. You've got incoming. Stop them from recapturing the base.
Yeah, my folks will take care of it.
Attention all forces. New commander seen. Fire on base.
Except when they don't.
Repeat. Fire on base.
We have a new objective, Commander. Destroy destroyed all additional artillery.
That's alright.
Guess there was more enemy artillery than we thought. Watch out.
Target acquired.
Who's that guy?
New target rifleman.
Affirmative.
I'm gonna stay here and finish the capture.
This is Ghost. Enemy mech destroyed. Ghost reporting. Reporting enemy forces.
Yeah, just under that little hill there, huh?
Target acquired.
They're just destroying the base for no reason.
Roger.
Since I have two more to destroy, I'm wondering if it's these guys. They are coming closer. Yeah.
Here is where we earn our pay. Incoming
And
battle
as soon as I say
mech.
they can start
Lots of them.
shooting again, they just lit off with stupid shots. Look at that.
Got it.
Aye, aye. I'm on guard.
Locking target.
Target acquired.
Reporting. Enemy down.
Target destroyed.
I wish there was some way you could tell them to aim low. Two more. Here they come. Could you imagine being on that drop ship going, I'm not going down there.
Lining up the shot.
Especially the little tiny mix he keeps sending.
Beast here. Target vaporized.
That should be good enough for the invasion force. We'll relieve you once they've secured this location.
This location
This is Sierra
is no
1-1.
longer
Be
a
advised,
location.
we've just completed re-entry. Lights are green. Dropships can now land. Sierra 1-1 out.
Artillery garrison destroyed.
Well, let's get picked up, reload, and go back. Alrighty. Nothing amazing, that's for sure. Well, that's an XL engine, but an XL engine goes for 24, so that's not a good steal of an XL. Yeah. We might just roll over. I'm going to take the Hunchy. I thought I was getting some leg shots on these guys, but that was a half shot. Yeah. Guess not. Well, I got some leg shots, but that's not what killed them. Okay, we're going to have 23 extras rolling in for 75 next time. I guess I did my duty, and my LRM guy is the only one that took significant damage.
The nasty weather means your visibility will be limited out there and have adverse effects on your sensors.
Yeah. And even though I say what the missions are over and over and over, they don't sink into my head. Scorched earth. I keep forgetting that's a 85. Man, a big mismatch on the gals. I can fix that later.
Our employer wants us to destroy a local military facility. Be cautious of any live ordnance storage they might have on site.
And all I'm seeing is
Farhad
walls, so
does not want to spend weeks clearing shrapnel from shredded My Army bundles.
that walk. I think I skimmed that one in, but I'm not sure.
New target located.
Got it.
Man, I can't see through the smoke.
Target destroyed.
Wicked reporting. Requesting new target.
Target destroyed. New target rifle.
Target locked. Reporting enemy forces reduced.
Target
Our
destroyed.
target is now marked. Go get him.
Mercenary scum!
Target destroyed.
back to your masters in a box.
This is Ghost. Reporting new salvage.
Ooh, nice dodging.
Critical.
Affirmative.
Target destroyed.
Good start, Commander. I'm showing major damage to the target facility.
Bloody warehouse!
You've managed to demolish about half of the target's buildings. Crack on, Commander.
They just took out our generator! Petrol tank is gone!
Just a wee bit more, Commander. This complex is on the verge of collapse.
Target acquired.
Looking for the shot.
Beast here, target vaporized.
The facility's gone cold. All power signatures gone. No one's going to be able to utilize this complex for quite a bit. Time to get out of here, Commander.
This shut'll piss them off.
Destroyed.
This is the Beast. Another one bites the dust. This is the Beast. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Aye, aye.
Been a long walk yet.
Target destroyed.
And I'm going to bump up to full speed and stay there. No dropship. I've got nothing so far but a couple of riflemen, so
Got it, sir.
yeah, I'll go take that. We're going to run.
Man, I can't see through the smoke. This is the Beast. Scratch one enemy mech.
acquired.
Okay, sir, you got it.
This is Ghost. Goodbye.
Bastards just flattened the warehouse.
Target destroyed.
Looks like Beast took a little bit of extra, so might have to change mix for him. Got a patrol coming up next.
Let's get out of here, Commander. Job well done.
Then a war zone. And the rifleman. I already got a couple of those. I'll take that for the equipment, but not if that's got it, and it does. Oh, it's still 25, 24. Never mind. I'm not taking 3 of those. Only thing I want's the LP large. That's a tier 2, so that's better. And tier 3. I'll take 1. Wow. Gotta hope there's better stuff in the next ones. Because I'm gonna have to spend it all then. Or lose it. Maybe I'll take a look. DH goes for it, that's for sure. Highlander might stop. These two are 8 and 4 points. Yeah, he's just stuck his nose in something. That's alright. Got lots of analogs for that, including this guy. Yeah, energy for energy guy. That's a pretty good mix. And the LBX-10 will be good for 17. Okie dokie. This is a patrol, I think, so why is he not golden? Or actually, should be orange. Why can I not find him? Yeah, didn't roll up enough. Stay there. How long is this mission? "16 days. $18. Still worth it. $9. Yep. Let's get it done. Burning daylight. 24 minutes in. I think the last war zone will separate off for the next episode.
Welcome, Commander. Make your way to the nav point on your HUD. Orbital scans have picked up small amounts of activity on the ground. Your job is to figure out who it is, and if they're hostile, take them out. Good luck, Commander.
better make sure my peeps figure out that one. One of them had to go astray.
Once you've found the targeted asset, move up to it, and we'll begin the recovery procedure. That's close enough. Ready to start pickup operation.
Alright.
Excellent find, Commander. Beginning recovery now.
This better not be one of those patrols where nothing happens. I got a lot of salvage to spend.
I'll do what I can.
Oh, this is not a nothing. Seeing this, folks? Holy crud.
Target acquired.
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
It's hard to figure out which ones are in range. I want to clear my backfield.
Target destroyed.
Those can't be seen yet. These all can.
Acquired. Target destroyed.
I'm gonna go get him. I think that's the only way out of an ambush.
Target acquired. Target destroyed. Target destroyed.
Yeah. Come on, get away. I want this little group right here.
Wicked reporting. Enemy down.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Got it, sir.
Target acquired.
Some of these guys got big
Target
guns.
destroyed.
Roger that.
And they're bringing in more. Doesn't say how many. Oh, 41.
Affirmative.
We're going to run that line. Then hook up behind the ones that are coming on our left. That's the plan. And I'm pretty sure none of these mechs are going to be good enough for the war zone coming up. But that's okay. I can't target them, by the way. Not that one. It's stuck behind that mech trap. We're about to get a full upload.
Wicked reporting. Enemy contact.
Target destroyed. Incoming missile.
Wicked reporting. Requesting new target.
Yep, come get some. I want that one up on her head. well. How about that?
Happy you made it out of there alive, Commander. Stand by for pickup.
Looks like the Orions actually came out of it okay. And that's okay with me because I got plenty for the rest. For replacements, that is. But tanks don't give you diddly for salvage except their weapons. I don't know what to tell you. That war zone better be stupendous. I'm gonna go into it with another 100. Yeah, we're all done. By my own rules, the beast should be out. There were 41. Well, that's only 18 and 15. 18, yeah. 15, 18 plus my 17, so 36, 37, whatever. Not all of them. It's only down 19 points, but I got a better one. Excuse me. Okay. Sorry, Beast, you gotta sit out.
Reporting.
I think I'm gonna go with one of my favorites. And that's gonna make me a little bit light, so I'll bring him in this. Saddle up, folks. Here we go. Yeah, he's still got 600 almost. Almost an Atlas. Well, I will reallocate. I got them to like me some more. Can't take salvage, so I'll take the money. 102 salvage points. Kill everything, including extra if we're in good shape.
Attention. Prepare for battle-like departure. Warning. Hangar doors opening. Stand clear.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
It looks like friendlies are already engaged with hostile forces. Their survival is not our priority, but there's always safety in numbers in a combat zone. We should do what we can to help them out. They will make earning our combat bonus all the easier the longer they stay in the fight.
Wicked reporting. Requesting new target.
Let's clear some lines of sight.
You've got the Ops Force's attention. They are converging on your position. Brace for hostile contact.
Wicked reporting. It's gone.
Do not have long sight lines in this.
Weaken here. I got something on sensors.
Reporting. Requesting new target.
Additional bogies setting an intercept course on your position.
He's got all that characteristic dance of a mech caught on a mech trap.
Weaken reporting. Got one.
Good job. Same deal. No from behind.
Ghost reporting. Goodbye. Looking for shot.
Enemy mech forces spotted operating in the area. Watch out for them.
Reporting. Go with honor.
Damn. Sneeze, sorry. The dry Arizona air, even in monsoon season. And yeah, it sounds funny. A desert, which it's not. It's actually a high arid area. We get too much rain to be a desert. About 13 inches a year. So about half what most folks are used to.
Can't do that, sir.
Yeah, I can't do it either.
More hostiles entering the combat zone's perimeter. Brace for additional contacts.
We only got to get 15, so I'm gonna have to. Ooh, I want that one. Cargo. Yeah. Bummer. Looking for large lasers and such. But I'll take his LBX5s and SRMs. That they're not on his torso, so I could leg shot him, or I can just center torso and I still get him.
Ghost reporting.
It's also got an XL engine, so I want it all.
Mission complete, Commander. Every kill from here out is bonus pay. Stick around as long as you like, but don't get too overconfident. Enemy forces still have a sizable hold of this area. Fall back to the mark nav point when you're ready for evac.
Oh, it did a sudden drop. Sneaky. And next back here.
Ghost reporting. Reporting enemy forces reduced. You're all mine now.
They bring in their biggest bunch yet.
Ghost reporting. Reporting you south.
Absolutely.
Ghost reporting. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Nobody hurt.
Recon reports
Much.
additional forces entering the engagement area, Commander. Be on the lookout for them.
Holy crap, we've already passed the 500,000. guys look that way. That's almost $1 million extra.
More enemies inbound. They really are gunning for you, Commander. Watch out. Contract successful. Time to get paid.
We can hear. It's gone.
Thought I killed that one. Dang it. Still not a lot of good ones. Let's see. 70-ton summoner. Everything's fixed on it. 7-ton Nova Cat. I can repair that. That's a good one. Add 2C at 85. Gonna beat up. Oh. Not impressed, really. I think I'm gonna have to go with PPCs instead of lasers. I'm just not a PPC shooter myself. It doesn't mean I can't give them to other guys. And the bottom line's I got 23. 73. So we'll take the summoner as well. Might build a new lance of mediums. Or heavies, I'm sorry. I know I'm going to want both of these. But not these. I mean, they cost more and they do less. Yeah, I'm completely annoyed I didn't see a gargoyle up here, because I legged it. Now, why is that worth 14 million C-bills in this condition? The ERPPC just cost me 15. So I got that one for 12 and I can still sell everything else. And 9 gets me a Jenner, a beat up one, a beat up one, a beat up one. No XLs for any of these. Well, I'm going to have to take something, so I'll take one of them. I'll also take the one that's supposedly worth a little bit more. And folks, that's 45 minutes, so we'll do the cleanup and repair in the next episode of Opal Plays MechWarrior 5. Meanwhile, that's the damage done on this one. Took a little bit of a tinge on her arm, everybody else is just fine. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Opus out.